the channel, guys. Yeah, we're pretty well elbow deep in the F100. Hey, that looks good.
It's a lot better than that old Brock.
It does.
Yes.
Yes, and it's gonna run better too.
Yes.
So yeah, guys. Okay, so here is the plan. If you saw in my spiffy intro there, we are deep in the truck. So let me bring you up to speed here. The tank is out. If you're not familiar with these trucks, the factory location for the gas tank is right here behind the seat. Yeah, it's a little crazy to think about that you've got, 15 gallons of gas behind you, but while we're discussing that, here it is. Nice, long, looks like a truck sub box, but that is the original tank. So we've got the tank out, and this is the tank that's actually going in, and it mounts right here, but we got to get this out, which means we got to drill these rivets out, which that's kind of a pain in the ass, but hey, it is what it is. But going back on, and this is kind of a temporary thing until parts are sourced and everything for the Coyote, but it's going to make it run a lot better. This is the EZ EFI from F.A.S.T, and Dover picked that up. The guy local had it, didn't he?
No, it's a guy from New York, Caleb.
Oh, okay.
His name is Caleb. Huh?
His name is Caleb. That's a good name, right?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Caleb.
But yeah, I mean, this is freaking sweet kit. You got your regulator, everything's pretty much plug and play. Epic wire, like I could do this. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, all the fittings, lines. So, pretty freaking cool system. And it's just gonna make the truck run a lot better. Ooh, it does have the screen. I gotta show the spiffy little screen up on the dash. And I'm not sure how far we're gonna get in this one, but yeah, there. This is similar, I would say, to a F.A.S.T, probably a level or two up from a F.A.S.T, because this is a nice kit. And I believe it's self-learning. It's even got a wideband that goes in the exhaust, doesn't it?
Correct.
So this is it ought to run really good with this.
I hope so.
And I'm not sure.
Should be an improvement.
I believe these are self-learning. I believe.
We got instructions. We'll read them sooner or later.
We're gonna have to read. We may end up having to pull the instructions out at some point, but that's what's going on at the moment, guys. We're gonna do a few upgrades here to the F100. Yeah, that's a lot of wiring.
Yeah, trying to figure out how to run this.
It's just nice though. I mean, it's
very nice.
It's all heat shrunk, labeled.
Yeah.
I mean, weather tight connectors, all your everything.
Labeled good.
Yeah, it's nice. I like all the wire loom and stuff over it. That looks great. Watertight connectors.
Make a hole.
Yeah, because not much came through the firewall back in the day.
No.
Not much at all.
There wouldn't be much to.
No. Man, that is nice.
Yeah, there's the wiring harness.
Yeah, that's the original wiring.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Couple heater hoses.
Yeah, this is definitely, guys. If you got an older, like a 302, 351, something like this is definitely something I would consider. Now, granted, we don't have it hooked up, running, and all that, but just from the look of it, it's gonna be a heck of a lot better than dealing with an old carbureted setup. Very nice. Yeah, you can see all these connectors I mean, these are OE style stuff. Injector, oxygen sensor. All right, 3 hours later and lots of grinding and air hammering. Tank is in. You can see this is where the original cross member was, and of course we had to air hammer all of that out. And then Dover went ahead and took the old shackles off for the leaf spring mounts, because obviously it's 4-link now. But tank is in, bolted down, looking good. It's actually a Aeromotive 340 pump in that tank. But yeah, another big piece to the puzzle. Now we gotta send some wire through the hole.
Yeah, we'll see if it's a fit through here.
You think it'll fit?
Possibly.
It's tight.
There's already a hole there, so
yeah. Ah, shoot. I think I left this line on there. Oh, okay. Yeah, so much for that. Make it a little bigger. Yeah, see guys, we got a light right there below the, I guess you'd call that the pinch weld.
Yeah, there's a hole there.
There's a hole.
Use what's there, huh?
And we need to stick that harness through it. We may have to make it a hair bigger, but should be good. Yeah, that should be good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so this hole definitely did not work, but we found another hole in the firewall. Knocked it out. We got everything.
Yeah, it's all our connections.
Pretty well in the bay. Tried that back there along the firewall.
Start plugging all this stuff up, huh?
Yeah. Plug and play. Air temp injector. I could almost run up underneath that booster. Make it a little cleaner. Yeah, that's gonna work pretty good.
I think so. Injector number 3 is back here in the back.
So these are the injector plugs here.
It's got 4 of them.
Okay, so 1 for each barrel, roughly.
Yes, sir.
See, this looks like a coolant temperature sensor, though.
I guess it's air temp.
Brass, yeah.
I would imagine.
There's injector 4.
Here, 4's gonna go back here.
And coolant temperature sensor. What's that?
Air temp. There's the air temp one.
That's it there.
That's gonna go there.
Clean.
Yeah, I think that's in the back. Or is it there in the front?
And there's a plug. Oh, that's
Yeah, it's right
injector
there in the front.
down there. Yeah. It's like literally all in one little carburetor looking thing. It's pretty sweet. What else we got?
One.
Coolant temp. This one
Throttle
is.
position somewhere. That's a little
Idle.
one. That must be it.
This one's an idle motor. Yeah.
Here's the throttle.
Pretty sweet.
Yeah, the motor's in the back. There it is.
Pretty straightforward.
Yeah, that part's about done.
Well, everything plugged up. Sitting down in there real nice too.
It's just like it did, don't it?
Yeah, can't hardly tell. Everything hidden up underneath there. Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's got lots of fuel lines on it.
Yep. Fuel lines there, tanks in there. You see, we just pulled the cluster out and ran it in through there. Literally, guys, back in the day. That's a whole wire in these cars. That is freaking crazy. Even the old Fox bodies had like 4 times this wiring. It's pretty wild. I think we may have something coming for this
A
area.
little better, huh?
Yeah, you never know.
Yeah.
You just never know with us. So where are you gonna put the brain at?
Probably back in here. Take it off back in here.
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah. Mount it some kind of way. Go from there. Well, that's all right. Got a whole
Is it
lot
gonna
of
work?
Yeah, works
Yeah.
great.
Old fuel line hose. Where's she gonna come out at is the question.
Oh, yeah, it's done now.
Somewhere.
Straight down.
Yeah, there it is.
That's cheap.
Yep.
I'm probably going to add to the one going to the battery because it's got to go all the way over there.
Yeah.
I think the fuel pump
Should
might
be plenty.
close. Yeah, it should be close.
So that's fuel, which is going right there. Actually, no, it's down there. And
Be close.
yeah. Alright guys, so there's pretty much the bulk of the install of the F.A.S.T system, which is going to be pretty sweet. Next video, we got a lot of other stuff to do. We got to weld in the wideband bung in the exhaust, then just kind of wire up the tank, pump, and put everything back together, and she'll be running and driving. Super, if you're looking for something like this is a super cool kit, and like you saw, plug and play. I definitely recommend it, especially if you're wanting something a little more, you know, a little more reliable than a carburetor. Probably maybe doesn't smell like gas when you get out of it at a car show or something. Something like this is going to be a good option for you. And yeah, it's a top quality kit. Can't really complain about that. So, oh yeah, wideband. That's the other thing. We're gonna get that installed, and I believe it is self-learning, so it'd be pretty cool. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much going to be a wrap on the F100 project. Again, once we get everything back together, we'll get it out and drive it and just kind of see how the system operates, and should run pretty good. But yeah, guys, that is what is up. If you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you next one.